Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to use Zoho Project for SEO campaign management. Now let's dive in. First step is setting up your Zoho project. You'll need to create a new project. Name it after your SEO campaign for easy recognition. This helps us because it allows you to organize and monitor all your SEO activities in one place. After you've done that, it's time to add tasks. Go to the Tasks tab and create tasks for each SEO activity. For example, you could have tasks for keyword research, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and so on. The reason we do this is to break down the SEO campaign into manageable parts. Now that we've done that, let's move to assigning tasks. Each task you created should be assigned to a team member. This is crucial because it ensures accountability and helps track the progress of individual tasks. Next up, we'll set deadlines for each task. Go to each task, click on Schedule, and set a due date. This helps us because it keeps the project on track and allows us to meet our SEO goals in a timely manner. Finally, use the Reports feature to analyze the progress of your SEO campaign. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project compiles data from all your tasks and converts them into easy-to-understand reports. These reports can help you identify what's working, what isn't, and where you need to make adjustments. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Zoho Project for SEO campaign management. Remember, the key to successful SEO campaign management is organization and tracking progress. Zoho Project makes this process easy and efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.